Hi lovelies, it's Breezy Girl here, back with another video. So today I'm super excited. I'm going to be talking to you about how I prep my skin before I go to sleep. So my friend was the one who actually recommended that I make this video. She constantly compliments me about how flawless my face looks. It's definitely not flawless, definitely have some insecurities here and there with it, but I use these products that I've been using for years to help achieve what I want my skin to feel, and pretty much just to show you how I take care of it. Stay tuned. So let's just talk a little bit about my skin. So my skin type is pretty much oily with a combination of dry. So I'm typically oily in my T-zones, and then I also have stubborn dry patches that form around my face. And then I also tend to break out. Today, you guys caught me on a good day, but typically I do break out. So those are the three main factors of my skin. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. The first step is to just make sure you remove all that dirt, oil, and makeup that you've been wearing throughout the whole entire day. I cannot stress enough that you guys should not sleep with your makeup on. I've been there. I know what it's like. The struggle is real. So do not sleep with your makeup on. It's so bad for your skin, guys. So make sure you remove it. I use micellar water to just pretty much remove all the dirt and impurities that I've had. I use micellar water because I do not like a regular makeup remover. They're too oily for me, and this consistency of micellar water is just like water, as you can see. And this brand is made for sensitive skin. You can use any kind of micellar water, but I like this one, and I've been using this for a while. So yeah, definitely recommended if you've never used it. And all you have to do is just pretty much use a cotton round, and here, let me open it, and you can see it's just like water, comes right out. And I'll just swipe it all over my face. And for the eye area, because I wear eyeliner and mascara, I'll get a Q-tip and I'll just gently go around, get on the other side, and like so. And then I will show you how I do it. Okay, so step 2 is a facial cleanser. Now, normally people who use micellar water, they don't have to wash their face with a facial cleanser because that's the purpose of micellar water. You don't have to rinse. But because I'm prone to breakouts, I take that extra step and use Neutrogena's oil-free acne wash. This has a salicylic acid in it, which is some hardcore stuff for your zits and your acne, but gentle enough for you to use every day. I use a pea-size amount. I use it every single night, once a day, and I use it in conjunction with my Sonic Con Air facial brush. Now, this I've been using for a while as well. You don't need a facial brush either. You can use your fingers, just make sure your hands are clean. But what I'll do is I'll put a pea-size amount of my cleanser into my hand, lather it up, and then this brush goes on automatically for a minute, and then it will shut off. It has 3 different settings. So it has a low, medium, high. When I first started using the facial brush, I started with low, medium, just to make sure that my face gets used to it. And then I start with high. And then you can see that this specific brush has silicones in the center. So it massages my face while I'm deep cleaning it as well. And these are replaceable. So you can just pop it off like so, and then throw them away, get a brand new one. And you can order these anywhere. I order my replaceable brushes from Amazon. So let me wash my face and I will be right back. So I just finished washing my face with the cleanser. The third step that I do is add facial toner to my skin routine. Now I use toner because it helps soothe out the skin, it helps with premature aging, and it also saturates any type of serum or moisturizers that you use after you tone. It's like the third step to just making sure your face is extra clean. Now you just put a little bit on a cotton round as well, and you just wipe all over your face. Don't get it into your eyes because this stuff is a little strong. I definitely put it around my nose because you know, to prevent blackheads and whiteheads, and especially the side of your nose. And then when you get to the bottom of your face, just make sure you go up. Anytime you're putting anything on your face, you want to make sure you scoop up. It's a little secret that celebrities use, and it's to prevent from your skin to sag. And as you can see, my cotton round doesn't have any more dirt in it. So that means my face is super clean, guys. I hope you guys have found this video informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's continue to the fourth step of my skincare routine. So the next step is facial serum, guys. So I have stopped using any kind of heavy moisturizers on my face for about 2 years now. Now, I use facial serum because it's lightweight. Again, I'm prone to oily skin, and this has helped me tremendously. It has a little dropper in there, so if you open it up, you can see that that's what it looks like. Now I use this and I put it anywhere around my face that needs moisturizing. So like definitely around my cheeks, just like that, around my chin. I don't add any to my forehead because my forehead is already oily, so I'll just do this and then I'll do it around my eyes, and it also just helps with like me not having to use eye cream. So I'll do that and then put a little bit under your chin. Very gently, nice little massage on your face. And that's how I put my facial serum. So we've reached the final step of my skincare routine, and this step sometimes may require 2 products. I know, but let me explain. So sometimes I will break out and I'll have like zits form all around over here because maybe, you know, the masks, it, you know, retains moisture, and it just, sometimes I'll break out around my chin area. Sometimes I'll break out around over here where my sunglasses hit, maybe from just bacteria, I don't know. Sometimes they're painful. And if I need to just get rid of them and I want them to heal, I'll use this stuff. So this is Almay. This is like a zit zapper. It helps diminish any type of breakouts that you have. This is actually made out of salicylic acid as well, so you don't want to use a lot of it. But if you open it up, it looks like this. And then let's just say, for example, I have a breakout like right over here. I'll just gently dab, very, very little, and then use it every day until the blemishes or the zits heal. Now, if I'm not breaking out and I don't need this, right, I'll just move on forward to the next step and just apply facial mist. So this facial mist is also from Valjean Labs, and I'll pump maybe like 2 or 3 sprays all over my face. And this is just pretty much like the last step to have like a protectant for all the stuff that you've put on your face, and it also evens out the skin tone. So yeah, that is my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to make more content for you guys. I will see you guys soon, and take care. Bye.